Hey everyone, it's Alyssa. So a bunch is going to be happening in this vlog, so I'm just gonna start it off with kind of a video explaining of everything that you're seeing. So basically this week we have quite a few different things going on. We had some new arrivals that dropped yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys those because they're so cute and I'm so excited about them. We also are just getting in a bunch of different stuff for our summer launch. Our summer collection launches on June 8th, and we're going to be doing a photo shoot for that this weekend. So I will definitely be showing a little bit of behind the scenes of that, which I'm super excited for because that's going to be really, really fun. So yeah, and also I'm going to just do some order packing because our store's been doing really well and I'm super happy about it. We've been running a sale right now of a $10 final sale to just hopefully get rid of a bunch of winter and fall items that we had left from the past year and winter months and all that type of stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna be packing some orders and doing that type of stuff. And yeah, so just tag along for the crazy ride of this business vlog. So here we go. So we actually just got some new tags in, which are super cute. They have our actual, it's not really focusing, but it has our actual like web address on it. Our other ones were just kind of plain with just a logo, but I thought it'd be nicer if we actually had tags that had our actual like where you can go shop from us and everything. So we put that on our new tag. So I need to tag up these items right here for this order. So let's go. So now I'm going to weigh this package before I make the shipping label because I need to know how much it's going to weigh. So it looks like it's going to weigh 1 pound and 1 ounce. So that seems about good. Like I said, I kind of just move it around a little bit just to make sure that's how much it weighs, and that's the weight that we go with. Now we're going to be creating an outfit of the day post with these two items here, and there's a shot of Ginger for fun. Basically, this is just a storage room, and I just come by the window and shoot, but I think I told you guys that last time. So here we go. I will show you the products at the end. Again, this is just a poster board that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So here is the finished product of what I came up with. Obviously, it will be the above shot that I put on our Instagram, and that'll be going up on our Instagram tomorrow as an outfit of the day type post, which I'm excited to do, and I definitely want to do more of those type posts in the future. And here's a ginger dog again. Woo! Yay! Alright guys, so today is the day of our photo shoot. We're going to be shooting all of the products for our summer launch for Mission Clothing Boutique, and I'm super excited to show you guys all the behind the scenes of where we're shooting, the photographer, our model, and Lindsay and I will be shooting two pieces as well, so we'll be modeling some stuff, which I think is going to be really fun. Lindsay has modeled all of our plus size stuff in the past, and she's going to continue doing that, and this is the first time I've ever modeled something for Mission, so I'm pretty excited to see how that goes. So yeah, you're just kind of going to journey along with us as we do a photo shoot for this business vlog.